welcome back to another video.
Hi.
Today we're going to be doing a dinosaur stacking contest.
Yeah.
So in this contest, you have to grab a dinosaur and you have to stack the other dinosaurs on top, like this. So if it, so like basically if the dinosaur falls, that means you have to restart. And whoever gets the biggest stack with the least falls wins. So yeah, let's hop into it. Okay, I forgot to tell you guys that there's gonna be 7 rounds. Each round consists of 3 falls. If someone gets 3 falls, that means the round ends. And there's gonna be 7 rounds in total. Whoever has the less falls in each round wins.
Let's go stacking.
Round 1. So I'm gonna start off with this Triceratops. And I'm gonna stack this with.
I think this is a Triceratops.
I don't know. This I'm gonna put a T-Rex on top. Oh, just fits right in. Yes. Next, I'm gonna put a Stegosaurus. Come on, please. I'm gonna put a Stegosaurus. After that, I'm gonna put. Please don't fall. Oh, after this, I'll place the Spinosaurus.
And
no!
And I'm gonna place this Triceratops, and then I'm just gonna go place this.
Ah!
How did he
biting the T-Rex?
What? Oh no! I fell.
Okay, I'm gonna put this guy on this. Oh, come on. Okay,
I fell again. How is this happening?
and I'm gonna put.
I fell again.
I only have 2 tries. I only have 1 try. This falls in. Okay, this is my stack. It's so small. Okay.
Yes, this is my stack.
Okay, so we have to keep stacking that now. I'm scared. If I fall one more time. Oh, no! You have 1 more go.
Oh! I let you go.
Come on. Sit. Hey, look at this guy's mouth. He's like, ah! Guys, look, the T-Rex is in pain, guys. Come on, go into the show. Yes.
It's back literally almost fell. Yeah, I lost.
Okay, I'm done.
I
Okay,
lost.
I win.
Second round. I'm
gonna keep using this. I lost 1. I'm just down. I'm gonna put it in for
I want to take long to do this dude because I have to use him.
Oh! I have 1 last chance, guys. 1 last chance. Uh-oh, guys. Come on.
Look at my stack. It's already in. I fell.
Okay.
1 more try.
I've got it.
You knocked it down. No, wait, look. You have to. No.
I have 1 last go, you cheater.
You know I have still.
No! Oh, okay, we'll fall. There's something on top, guys.
Okay.
Guys, I'm gonna do it. No, I'm scared. Guys, I'm literally gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Okay, never mind. It's a good fall.
My one's already this big somehow. Should I do it?
Don't fall. It falls good.
It's gonna fall.
No! 1 last chance.
You have 1 last chance.
No way.
Here. You will get the super weak. Eek!
I lost.
Oh! Whoa.
Okay, you won. Round 1 complete.
Okay, guys, let's get started with round 2. So I'm gonna use a Gigantosaurus, and under
I think mine with their bounce because 2 of their toes are in the
I'm gonna place this Ankylosaurus. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna place this Gigantosaurus, and on top of it, I'm gonna place a T-Rex. Come on, T-Rex.
How did you do this? No, my dudes fell. I'm making the tail touch the ground.
over.